Hi everyone, this is Rosanna. First, I will introduce our company. Keda Instrument established in 2009 years, and our Alibaba shop have 9 years experience to export lab instrument. Our main products included rotary evaporator, short pass distillation, cooling chiller, vacuum pump. Or we also have vacuum dry oven, blast air, oven, and we also have centrifuge and some lab instruments. If you want to know more, you can contact our sales for more details. Now I will introduce some certification of us. This is our ISO certification. This is our CE. This one is short pass distillation CE certification. This one is cooling chiller CE certification. This one is rotary evaporator CE certification. This one is our jacket glass reactor certification. All of our products have CE certification, so it will guarantee our product quality. This one is stainless steel reactor CE certification. This one is dry oven certification. First, I will introduce our jacket glass reactor for you. For your demand, usually the highest temperature we can provide from room temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. If you want to customize the higher temperature, we can also do 300 degrees Celsius according to your demand. This one volume is 15 liter. We also have smaller volume if you need, such as 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter, 10 liter, or 20 liter, also 15 liter, 100 liter, 115 liter, 200 liter. If you want to customize the big one, we also have stainless steel reactor. It can produce the big for industry demand, such as 1,000 liter volume and bigger. First, I will introduce this model for you. This one is a 15 liter one. It consists 4 parts. First, the glass parts. This is the kettle body. The volume is 15 liter. Jacket glass reactor have jacket. It used for heat or cool material. This is the kettle cover, or you can also call it kettle lid. It has 6 ports in the kettle lid. This one is thermowell port. This one is solid feed inlet. This one is funnel port. This one is gas inlet and outlet port. This one is reflex elbow port. This one is for for Teflon stir blade port. First, I will introduce the thermowell port for you. We will match a thermowell tube for you. You can we will match one PT100 thermometer for you. You can see here. It connects with our converter. If you want to customize your digital thermometer, we can also provide it. This is a drop funnel. When you want to add liquid material, you can drop it from here. This is a plug. You open the plug and connect the liquid material tube to here. Then add liquid to the reactor. This is the reflex elbow. After the vapor being cooled from condenser, it will reflex from reflex elbow to the reactor. You can also connect the vapor from here. This is our subtan condenser. The function of condenser is to provide to cool the vapor to the liquid. You can also connect the vapor liquid from here. Second, I will introduce the stir part for you. This one is a stir motor. Our motor usually can provide 0 to 118 RPM. This one is universal joint. We use Teflon stir rod, and this is a blade. Teflon stir rod can resistant strong acid and alkali. At the same time, we will use GG17 high borosilicate glass. It can resist strong acid and high temperature. It will helpful for your chemical test. Thirdly, I will introduce our seal part. Our 15 glass reactor use mechanical seal for it will ensure the vacuum condition of the reactor. So you can do some vacuum test. Last but not least, I will introduce the holder for you. We use the SS 304 stainless steel holder. Next, I will introduce the converter to you. This one is the rotary evaporator converter. When you want to use it, I can show how to operate it. First, open this switch. Then, adjust this key to control the rotary speed. Now, let us set 60 RPM. Okay, you can see we adjust the speed to 60 RPM. Next, I will introduce the heating bath for you. Our heating bath is GYY 15-liter model. It can provide from room temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. It has a lid. To add hot oil. When you want to connect the heating bath with glass reactor, firstly, I will introduce the port of them. This is the top one. Port is the heating bath inlet. The below one is the heating bath output. The glass reactor inlet in the bottom of reactor. Here, it is a jacket inlet. This one is jacket outlet. When you want to connect them, first connect the outlet of heating bath to the jacket bottom inlet. Then the hot oil will circulating in the jacket. After circulating, it will return to this port. Then the oil will return to the heating bath. It is a circulating process. Someone will want to know which oil we usually use. Usually for GYY series, we will use silicon oil to heat. You can also find some suitable oil in local. This one is the vacuum pump. This is a circulating water vacuum pump. It is environment friendly model compared to the oil pump. It is more environmental friendly, and the price is very competitive. So it will be a good choice. Now I will tell you how to connect the vacuum pump with our glass reactor. Connect the section port of vacuum pump to the top to the condenser top section port. Then you can open the switch. It will start to operate. This one is the chiller heater. Compared to the cooling chiller and the heating bath, you know, if you want to heat and you also want to cool your material, maybe you can buy a cooling chiller and another set cooling chiller. It will be two equipments, but this machine have two functions. It have both heating function and cool function. So it will be very popular. This one is it can provide highest temperature about 215 degrees Celsius as lowest temperature. We can customize according to demand. Usually we have minus 120 degrees Celsius. everyone. And now I will introduce our partner Lisa to introduce our small jacket glass reactor to you.
Hello, this is Lisa, and now it will be my time to show you the smaller jacket glass reactor. And the Rosanna just introduced the use 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 mold machines. And this is the heater chiller, this is the vacuum pump, this is the 50-liter jacket glass reactor. And this is the GYY water oil bath. And finally, here you can see a smaller one. This smaller one, it looks a little same as the 50-liter jacket glass reactor. But the volume is small. The volume is about 5 liter. And now let me introduce this one from up and down. For this one, it consists of 4 parts. First is these glass wires parts, and the second is here the mixing parts, and the third is the sealing parts, and finally here is the plate board supporting. And first, now let me introduce them one by one. And first it's the important parts. It's the glassware parts. Since the jacket glass reactor use many glasswares, so for this glass, it's very easy to broken. So we use the GG17, a high borosilicate glass. And here, let me introduce the glassware from up and down. First here, this is a condenser. You can see here. The condenser, you can see it. Yeah. It's the snake-shaped condenser, and we designed it like this. It will expand the condensing area. And on the kettle cap, also here is also a pot. This pot is the thermometer pot. Inside it, there is a thermal probe. The thermal probe can test the temperature inside the kettle when you take the reaction. And here this one, let me show you. And this one, it's the drop funnel. You can see here. Plug and add material inside, and the material will get into the kettle body. And finally here, the last pot. This one is the air inlet and outlet valve. Here, when you take after reaction, you can open this to release the vacuum condition. And down here, this is the kettle body. The kettle body is made of double layer glasses, so we call it jacket glass reactor. And the glass reactor, in the middle, we can fulfill hot water or other coolant to do high temperature and low temperature reaction. And outside this glass, it shows the volume of the kettle. Here, down here, this is the discharge valve. After reaction, you can open this to discharge the materials out. And now, then let me introduce the second part. Second part is the mixing part. Here, you can see I turn this blade turning. This one is the universal joint, and it controlled with this mixing shaft. This one can keep the balance of this to avoid the mistake. And here is the mixing shaft. You can see up here is the stainless steel, and inside it becomes white because inside, if we still use this, it will easy to corrosion. And here inside the inside parts of the mixing blade, we coated it with PTFE. Then you can do the reaction of high temperature, and if some materials are acid, alkaline, it will not make corrosion of this mixing blade. And the third part is the sealing part. You know, when you take reaction, if don't seal well, the effect will not good. And for the sealing parts, we use mechanical sealing, and also the rust-proof bearings. All these parts can keep very well sealing of the jacket, glass reactor. And then the third one, you can see the third one, the fourth, sorry, I made a mistake. It's the fourthly one. The fourthly one is here, down here. It's the placeboard. And this placeboard is also made stainless steel. It can keep the jacketed glass reactor steady. Here I have introduced this smaller 5-liter jacketed glass reactor. And now let me show you the differences between this 5-liter and that 50 liters reactor. First, the difference is the pods outside the kettle cap. This is smaller one because it's small, so the size on the kettle cap is small. So there's no space to make 6 parts. So for this one, it only have 5 parts. And for the large 50 liter, the cap is large, so we design 6 parts. The last one is the solid feed part. Here, you can see here, this white one. And the second difference we show you is this condenser. For this condenser, this smaller one, because its evaporating is not large, so we don't use the reflux distillation elbow, and and for that large one, 50 liter, we have the reflection distillation elbow. And the third difference is here is the frame. Here you can see the large one, because it's very heavy, so we use this frame structure to keep it steady and strong. It will supporting the jacket reactor very well. And down here, below the frame, there are the 4 brake casters. So you can move it in the lab very easily and flexible. Don't need to carry it. You can save much labor. And here, for this smaller one, it's very small, so the weight is light. You can carry it by one person. So this one we use the flatboard structure. Here, it also can keep it very steady. So for now, I have introduced this 5-liter jacketed glass reactor. So finally, let me show you these 4 modes, the price. Okay, let me show you the price. And now I'm showing you the price, and on the screen it will appear the coupon. You can click the button to get the coupon. It will be very competitive price. And here for this 5-liter jacketed glass reactor, the price is 910. 910. Please click the button to get the coupon. And for this large one, this one is the GYY water oil bath. It offers the heat to jacketed glass reactor. The price is also very good. Price is 730. 730. You can see here, 730. And in the middle, this largest one. This largest one, the price is 2,090. 2,090. 2,090. Please click the button to get a coupon. And here, beside this largest one, is a vacuum pump. It offers the vacuum condition to the jacketed glass reactor. It's connected with the condenser. This price is the cheapest for this time. You can see it's only needed 260. 260 only. 260 only. And finally is this one. And this one, we call it heater chiller. It can offer high temperature and also low temperature. So the price is a little expensive, and it is expensive in this time. The price is 3,600. 3,600. 3,600. Please see here. 3,600. So now, if you are watching our living show, please click the button to get the coupon. And for this living show, our price is really very competitive. And if you interested in these modes, please click the button below to contact us. And also, if these modes can't meet your requirements, you can also ask our sales to get other modes, the price, specifications, videos, and pictures. And for more, we also offer the customized service to our client. And since now our equipment has been exported to so many countries, especially in America, Europe, and all over the world. So, okay, thanks for watching. Let's welcome Rosanna here. Come here, Rosanna. Let's say goodbye. Okay.
Hi everyone. Our live show is near to close. Thanks for your watching.
Okay, and if you have any interest about our products, just contact us. Don't hesitate to contact us. So,
Have a good day. Bye
bye bye.